Today, guys, we got some bad news with the TaoTao DBX1. Scully, want to kind of explain what happened?
Honestly, I don't know what happened, if I'm being honest. Actually, no. I think the piece of the crank blew off right there, if you can see that. Because it's a little round in there, and it's got a little jagged edge right here. So
basically, we rode it 2 days ago, let it sit. He tried kicking it today. What, he got a half kick?
I got 4 full kicks, slow, like no compression kicks. And then I went to go kick it again, tight.
Interesting. And now you can just turn it like
270, gets stuck.
Turn 7 degrees and it gets stuck.
And then clank.
And there. Stuck. Yeah. And you can turn it back and it gets stuck. So I tried to put a stethoscope on the cylinder head, and we're gonna take apart the head and just make sure. We checked the other flywheel cover, nothing was in there. We tried checking behind the gears, nothing was in there either. I can't see anything else down here.
I like how I made these little holes through those so you can see.
Well, that's just for oil passages.
Well, that
stuff too.
But
it's very unfortunate that this happened. Can't believe it.
You see that gasket on the inside?
What's that?
That gasket's huge. Look
What's
at that gasket.
Oh, the case?
Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Yep.
It's way too big. But no, I think it's split right there where that sharp spot is.
Hopefully we get lucky and it's somewhere on top of the piston somewhere. And it's just sitting up there waiting for it. Maybe a piece of ring or something. We'll get lucky and it's a piece of ring.
No, it's not. It's not.
But this thing has nothing but problems,
Yep.
actually. Like lately, we thought we've been good for how many months now? A couple months, and
Yeah.
just started to go downhill.
TaoTao might have to say bye-bye to the channel.
Yep. If it's anything major,
How's a piece of ring gonna be good luck?
I don't know. Beats
Because
me.
you know it's scoring up the cylinder wall.
Yeah, but top ends.
I can do a top end
bottom
cheaper than the old motor, though. I can get a
Yeah.
new cylinder, new piston rings.
Yeah.
Cheap. But I'm just hoping if the motor's shot, it's $500 for a new motor, and we're just gonna put it up for sale. Somebody can put a motor in it. We'll just get another one, cheaper pit bike. But that's where we're at right now with the Tao. It's pretty sad. Spend about what, month riding, month fixing. 2 weeks on, 1 week off, something like that.
Well, I mean, the only really bad thing that went wrong was the clutch.
Yeah. And I don't know. It wasn't like I thought maybe the clutch bolt, maybe something we put together got loose, but it's all tight. All the stuff we did. And it looks good. I mean, we'll have to just inspect the top end and we'll see what happens. If you guys have any suggestions of what it could be, anyone having the same problem, let us know, because this is kind of confusing. And it's not like it went tight while running. It was just sitting, and then we tried kicking it, and it was tight. So we'll keep you updated and see what happens.
Yeah, we'll give you an update once you get the top end off.